Hello, good morning to one and all. So today we are going to begin the moral science chapter 1 for class 4. Okay. So the name of the chapter is God does everything for our good. Definitely yes. At some moments we may think कि whatever is happening with us is wrong. The future will be very bad for me if this happens to me right now. But then we should always remember कि whatever we are thinking and we are finding it wrong, later on it can be a blessing to us. Okay, so we should not ever doubt God's wisdom. He knows very well what is good for us. Okay, so here is a very short stories for us. It is a story of a king. In a very short way we will tell you. I'll tell you. Let's have a look. It is a king. There is a king and a minister. They both went to the forest for hunting. They did not find any kind of animal. They were hungry, so they reached to a place and they got mangoes from the mango trees. And while the king was trying to cut the mango with the help of a knife, it slid. As a result, he cut his finger. So after his finger got cut, blood was oozing out. After that, the minister was in a hurry and he tore a strip of cloth from his shirt and he tried to tie it. Okay. After that, what happens? He was tying it in the finger of the king. So he then again said to the king, "Ki you should never mind it, Majesty, because everything happens for our good only." After hearing this, the king became very angry and he shouted, "Ki right now I'm having so much pain and you are like that ki everything happens for a good. Are you a fool?" So he's just scolding the minister and he's saying him to leave the place as soon as possible. So the poor minister, he was very sad, and as a result, because it was the order of the king, so he has to leave the place. Now the king was all alone. After going some distance, he found some robbers surrounded him, and they took the king to the chief of the robber. Now the chief is saying that he is going to sacrifice him to the goddesses. Now he is asking to all the priests and all to make arrangements, but then the priest saw one thing. What was that thing? He saw that the king got hurt in his finger. So he said, "We cannot sacrifice like this man." Why? The chief is asking. Because we want the person to be fine and fit. Then only we can sacrifice it to the goddesses. So after hearing this, the chief set the king free. Now the king was very happy, and now he is remembering the words of the minister कि yes, everything happens for his own good. Okay, everything is planned by God. Now he is saying कि if I had not cut my fingers, now I would have been killed by the robbers. Okay, now he is also, after that he realized कि he was very rude to his minister and he thought he need to apologize to him. He searched for the minister, then he found him and he even asked sorry for that. But then the minister was even happy that the king was safe, and he even explained कि if you would not have scolded me, the minister would be there with the king, and if he was there, then definitely the chief would have sacrificed the minister because he was all well with his body. So whatever the minister said, we should thank the everything happens for a reason, and everything God does, it is for our own good. So both of them thanked God and just said asked for God for his mercy. Okay, so please remember, children, thought of the day is very important. Not a leaf moves without God's will. Ki everything happens with God's own will. Earlier we may find it difficult, but later on we are definitely going to realize it कि everything which happened, which God did for us, was really a blessing for us. Okay, so this is the question answer for that chapter, and the key value is also very important, so please have a look and please write it in your copy. So I hope you liked it. Thank you so much.